Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I have my Boxycharm unboxing. Now, I did unbox my Boxy Premium a few days ago, and I loved it. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in that box, I will link that video up above. Make sure to check that out. But this is just my standard Boxycharm. I feel like I had a few problems with my box this month. So first off, I was supposed to get this, today is Wednesday by the way. I was supposed to get this last Friday, and then I got a notification that it was going to be Saturday, and then it was going to be Monday, and then it was going to be Wednesday, and then it ended up coming Tuesday. So, I don't know. And then I also got an email on Monday saying that they sent me the wrong choice option, like the item that you can choose. They sent me the wrong one, so they're going to send me the product I chose as well, and I can keep what's in the box. So that's kind of cool. Like, I get 6 products then. But let's jump into the box. The theme is the same as it was for all the other boxes this month. It's Boxycharm Whimsy, and it's nice and festive looking. I don't really know what this little fairy up here is for. I guess it's whimsical. The first product is from Aesthetica, and this is the Pro Series Brush Cleanser and Conditioner. I'm actually pretty excited about this. I typically use like a face wash to wash my brushes, or like a mild soap, and I've never, well, I used to use a brush cleaner like years ago, but it's been a long time since I've used a brush cleaner, and I could really use a nice deep clean on my brushes right now. I'm about to travel in a few days. Ugh. I have so much to do before then. I'm getting a little anxious. But I need to do a nice deep clean on my brushes, so this will be really great. This does retail for $12, which I feel like is pretty fair for the amount of product you get in here. It's 2.5 ounces. The next product is from Ciate London. This is the Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. And this is such a cute little package. I think this is adorable. And mine's in the shade Halo. I got a Ciate London highlight in my premium box and have been really enjoying it. But this is what the blush looks like. It's a nice like neutral color, a little mauve-y. I am actually wearing this today. I'm wearing a few of the products in here. And I think it provides a nice like pinky color to the cheeks. It has a little bit of a glow, just like a soft glow. It just looks really smooth on the skin. And this is really cute. I love blush, actually. I really enjoy getting blush. I think it's such a fun product to try. And this one, so far, so good. This does retail for $26. The next product is from Brow Bar, and this is the Brow Makeover Kit. I did try this today, and to be honest, I'm not a fan. I got this in the shade Light, which would be a nice color for me, I think. Light would definitely be the shade I need, but I think I've just gotten in such a routine of using like pencil and then like a brow mascara, and so today I used everything that was in here. You have like 2 brow powders, a concealer, you have a brow mascara, and you also have a little brow brush. First thing, this little brow brush is pretty much impossible to use. It's so tiny, and the brush on here, it's just like not easy to use, and there's not like a ton of precision with it. It's a really like flexible brush, and so I was just like trying to apply it, and it was just kind of going everywhere. I ended up using a different brush. I did use all 3 of the products here. I used the concealer. I did do like a little carving out under my brow, and then I used both of the powders in my brow. The lighter color is definitely more like the tone I would look for, like a nice cool tone. This one's a touch warm, but it's deeper, and I needed a little bit more depth than this. This brow mascara is rough. First off, I could not get this open. I was like, at first I was like, oh, maybe I just have like slippery hands from touching product and stuff, and so I like dried my hands off, went to do it, couldn't get into it. I used like a tool to try and like open it, couldn't get it open. I finally got it open after literally like 10 minutes of trying to open this, only to find out it's a clear brow gel, and the wand on this is huge. Who, like, I don't think I've ever used a brow mascara with this large of a brush. And I'm reapplying it now because I feel like it is not holding very well. And so overall, this product is kind of a bummer. I might try and use like the powders and stuff again, but this is no. The brush is no. It's a nice little package, but I don't think I'm gonna end up using this. And this retails for $30. The product that I got on accident that I wasn't supposed to get is from Elemis, and it's the Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. And I actually had a hard time choosing between this and the moisturizer because I chose the Saturday Skin Moisturizer, which is so funny because in my premium box I got 2 moisturizers, and so I got 3 moisturizers this month, which is, it's fine, I'll use them. But this one I almost chose because I think Elemis, the things that I've tried before have been really great. But I don't think I'm going to use this, although I have been interested in trying like a rose oil of sorts. I think I'm going to save this and give it to someone for Christmas or something, because I think this is such a nice like luxury thing to get. This retails for $79. I can smell the rose through the package. It has a really nice light rose scent. And so cool that I got it, I guess, but I'm not going to use it. I do think my skin would enjoy it. Like, I think I would get some good use out of it, but I literally have so much skincare stuff right now that I don't need anything else. And the last product is this little eyeshadow palette. This is from Storybook Cosmetics, and it's the Robin Hood Fairy Tales palette. I do think this is really cute. It is quite bulky, but I mean, if you're just keeping it on your vanity or something, I think it's adorable. I do really enjoy the shades in here. I think this is really pretty. There was 2 options for palettes this month. There was the Robin Hood one, or there was the Little Red Riding Hood one, and that one was like all red tones. And so this was the one that I was hoping I would get actually, and I got it. So I'm pretty happy. I am wearing this today. I'm wearing the Nottingham shade all in my crease and like really blended it out, and then I went in with the Quiver shade and did a little bit more crease work, and then I'm wearing Maid Marian on my lids. It's this really pretty gold, it's like a really yellowy gold on my lids, so I have a really golden look going on. And then I did go in with Forest. It's this really nice like charcoaly brown color. Does that make sense? It's like, it looks like it's a really dark gray, but there's definitely like a little bit of a warmth to it, and I think it's a really pretty shade. I put that in like the outer corner, and then I ran Quiver along the lower lash line, and I put Maid Marian in the inner corner as well. And I think that turned out to be like a really, really pretty kind of like holiday look. So I think it's cute. This retails for $35, but I did see, I mean, this is like a Boxycharm exclusive. They were selling it on their website, I saw, but for like $15 or something. Like, they were selling it for like way less expensive on their website, but it was like a slashed price. It was like on sale. So I just thought that was kind of funny. But overall, I mean, I will be getting the Saturday Skin Moisturizer soon. They said I was going to be getting like an email with a tracking number. I don't know if I'll end up getting that. But overall, I think this was a really great box. I think the only product that I'm like bummed about is the brow product. And it's not that bad. It's just not what I'm accustomed to probably. Or it might be like a mix of this and something else. So I'll keep trying it. But the blush I think is beautiful. I am pretty excited about the brush cleanser. I think that'll be really great. The palette I think is cute. The brow product is, like I said, a little bit of a bummer. And then the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil I think was a great addition to the box, even though I'm not keeping it and I'm getting another product. I think this is a great product to have in the box. And so cool that they were gonna, like, they notified me before I got my box saying, hey, we messed up, we sent you the wrong choice item, we have the other one coming to you. So I think that's really cool. I think that's really great on Boxycharm's part. I think this is totally worth $25. Like, yeah. But that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. I love Boxycharm. I will be doing a video probably in the next few days comparing this box and the premium box. I know they're different price tags, but just like seeing which one is worth it and what my future plans are. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure to subscribe to stick around. But I hope you're getting more and more ready for Christmas. I'm about to head to the mall here in a little bit. Today's my day off, and I'm gonna be going down to the mall. I'm doing some select Christmas shopping, hopefully to get done today between the mall and Amazon, and we'll see, because we're a week away from Christmas. As of today, when you see this, we're closer, so good luck. But thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.